hits and misses from brands I've never heard of. Trying new skincare and makeup. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Today I'm going to talk about some of the new products I've tried over the past few months. These are things maybe I've ordered it online, or they were given to me, or I just saw them at someplace like TJ Maxx or Marshall's. All of them are basically brands that prior to this I'd never really heard of. I'll let you know what my experience was with these products, if you can buy them online, I'll put a link, and just whether or not I recommend them, whether they worked for me or not. I had some hits and a couple of misses. Anyway, here are my results. By the way, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now. These first two products are both from a brand called Scriptions. I wasn't familiar with this brand, but apparently it is out there and it's sold in more stores than actually where I found it. I found this one, I think, at Marshall's and this one at TJ Maxx. Both of them were about $3.99. This is a firming glitter peel-off facial mask. I actually did a demonstration of that, but first let me just a minute talk about vitamin C facial serum. This was one of my hits. I've had several vitamin C. Some of them have been kind of grainy. Some of them have made my skin sting a little bit. This went on smooth. It felt good. I felt sort of an overall good texture to my skin after using this, so I'm going to continue to use this. This is a hit. Scriptions Vitamin C Facial Serum. Now onto the Scriptions Firming Glitter Peel Off Facial Mask. I am trying for the first time this Scriptions Bedazzled Firming Glitter Peel Off Facial Mask with caffeine and mint. Helps firm and tighten skin, 30-minute facial treatment. According to the instructions, it says spread evenly over face, avoiding eyes, hairline, and lips. Wear mask until completely dry. This may take 30 minutes. Gently peel off in a downward or upward motion. Rinse off remaining residue with warm water. Okay, I'm going to try this right now. I have not tried this before. So, okay. It has these little sparkly stars in it. Okay, put it around the mouth. I'm going to try a tiny bit more just to spread it more evenly. A little on the neck. I'm going to wait till it dries, try to peel it off. If that doesn't work, wash it off. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes, so I'm now going to try to peel this thing off. It is not peeling that smoothly, so I'm probably going to wash it off. I will get back to you on my overall review of this. The stars are coming off of my washcloth. There's some positives and negatives about this. The positive thing is that I did it last night, and this morning my skin felt smooth and soft to the touch. I think when I first got through with it, it felt a little bit tight and firm. So that part was good. The negative part was, it shows in this picture, it just peeling right off. That didn't happen. It was, maybe I didn't put it on thick enough, but it was much harder to peel off for me. I finally had to get a washcloth, and even after getting the washcloth, there were all these little glitter sparkles that were sticking to my face and sticking to my washcloth. It took a long time to get it off, so that was the biggest negative about this. So overall, it did not have any negative smell. It felt kind of, tightening, and it didn't sting, it didn't itch, no allergic reactions. So, like I said, pluses and minuses. For $3.99, it's a good deal. Am I going to buy it again and again and use it again and again? Probably not. I found a lot of other facial masks that I do like better. This next product Retinol Plus Nightly Anti-Aging Cream with Retinol and Hyaluronic Acid. Made in Italy, advanced rejuvenating formula. This is the box that came in, but I paid, I think, $4.99 for it at TJ Maxx. This, overall, I liked it. It's really nice and silky to the touch. Went on very smoothly. The only thing with a lot of these, I'll just touch it up here. With a lot of these things, it doesn't really say how much retinol, what the strength of it is. I don't feel like it's the strongest retinol, but it was not burning or stinging. It felt good. It slept well. I haven't been using it long enough to tell any long-term effects, but overall, this was a hit, particularly for the money. Now, these next two items, this one is Precision Beauty Skincare Solutions Anti-Aging Collagen and Rosewater Exfoliating Face Scrub. This was from Marshall's, $3.99. It was made in Korea. It was distributed by Swissco. Now, I looked online. Swissco, apparently the website is no longer available. I could not find this on Amazon or anywhere on the web, so I'm guessing it's a discontinued product, which is a shame because I loved it. It comes on like this, see, it's this nice, smooth, creamy formula. It has a little bit of like a salt grain for the exfoliating. The ingredients are great. It's got a little bit of glycerin, which is a good, gentle facial exfoliant, as well as it has anti-aging collagen and rose water. It was gentle. It felt good on the skin. It had just enough the rough exfoliant to get off some of the dead skin cells. But I really do like this. I'm going to continue to use it while it lasts, but unfortunately I cannot give you a link because I think it's pretty much discontinued. Because it says made in Korea. If you have a Korean skincare place near you, it might be good to look for something similar. And this is another one that I sort of like. This is Body Prescriptions Retinol Overnight Mask. And what this is, basically after cleaning your face, right before going to bed, you put it on your face and go to sleep in it. It's very lightweight. It's not sticky. This felt good. I liked it. But like the last item, I could not find it online anywhere, so I'm thinking it's discontinued, unfortunately. But this is what it looks like. Body Prescriptions Retinol Overnight Mask. If you see it at your local TJ Maxx or Marshall's, I recommend trying it. Now, this next product was my one fail. I ordered this because on one of the email blogs I get, there were a list of products recommended by celebrities. Most of the products that the celebrities recommended were in the $300 to $400 range. This was available at Amazon for $12. It was recommended by Salma Hayek. And if you look at Salma Hayek lately, she looks fabulous. She has beautiful skin. So I thought, I'm going to try this. It is, I'm having trouble pronouncing it, Tepesco Huite. And facial and body cream, collagen, and vitamin E. Now, I've noticed before I've had a couple problems with certain types of vitamin E that have caused my skin to get red and break out. This, I did not do really a spot test. And when I put it on my face, within like 5 minutes, it was itching and stinging, and I immediately washed it off, but my face was red for about 3 days. So I basically had an allergic reaction to this. Because a lot of people do swear by it, if you want to try it, if you've never had any sensitivity to vitamin E, and you want to go ahead and try it, do so. It's a good bargain. But again, I recommend doing a patch test on other items. In fact, pretty much everything since then, I do a patch test. First, I'll do a little bit here, and then I'll do maybe on my elbow. And if you want it, if you do it, go for it, but you do the patch test first. So that was my biggest miss of all these products. Another hit for me, this is a hair care product. It's Miele. I think that's how you pronounce it, Miele. Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. Infused with biotin, encourages growth. For daily use, scalp treatment, split-in care. About a month ago, I ordered something online called Vitality. And it was supposed to basically help your scalp, encourage hair growth, treat your hair I used it for several weeks. I loved it. I found my hair was falling out less, breaking off less. It shined more. Then my cat climbed onto the counter in my bathroom and knocked it on the floor, and the bottle broke and it all spilled and disappeared. I was going to order some more. It was $39, so I held off a minute. I was in Target and just looking around the hair products, and I found this. The ingredients are probably about 75% the same as in the Vitality. This was, I believe, something like $10. I like it. The smell is the same. It has a lot of the same oils, the castor oil, the eucalyptus, the coconut oil, tea tree oil, a lot of the same ingredients. It feels the same. It works the same. Felt good on my hair. Overall, I feel like, you know, my hair is fine, thin, it breaks off easily. Overall, I feel like since using these type products, the texture, the fullness of my hair has improved a little bit. So I'm going to continue using this. I highly recommend, if you're thinking about this type of product, check out Target. Look for this Miele. Okay, the final one is the eyeshadow. I used this for the first time this morning. It is the cutest little... Today I'm testing out this new palette by a company called Paul and Joe. This is Face and Eye Color CS122. It was part of a gift package for my daughter on my birthday last week. And isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? I'm almost afraid to touch it, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with this pink color and put that on my eyelids. If you hear anything in the background, our cats are playing. One thing I did notice is that this does have a slight fragrance. It's a little bit of a floral scent. It's not overwhelming, but if you're bothered by fragrance, it's something to consider. Now I'm going to use this brown as a liner. Putting it on my little flat liner brush, my little kitty mirror. It goes on very smooth, and it's a nice even color, kind of matches the color of my brows without mascara, that is, of my lashes without mascara. Okay, now I'm going in on the lower area right below my lashes, and they're extending up to the crease line, and then gently going in right. Now I think I'm going to take this yellow color and just sort of go into the crease with it. I'm going back in some more with the pink and just blending it a little and cutting the crease. It's very pretty, very soft, muted. It's not the bold jump at you colors that the Jeffree Star has, but it's a very nice neutral day look. It is just so cute. I adore the look of this. It does have a slight fragrance to it. It goes on smooth. The colors are pretty. I really liked it. It was a little bit expensive. I looked it up online and I put a link to the Amazon purchase of this. It's like $35 and it's not a lot. You know, you don't really get that much. You have to take a precision brush to, you know, select the color you want to use. I already wiped out some of the palm tree. But I do like this. This was a hit. It's charming. It's adorable. I love the little box. I love looking at it. It is so cute. Have you found any products from brands you've never heard of that you'd like to tell me about? Leave a comment below. Please give this a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.